In this video, I'm going to be revealing you websites that you can use to earn $10 every single day. This is going to be PayPal money, and sometimes you can get paid with cryptos and other payment methods. Let me share you everything so you can have all the information and you can decide if this is something that you would like to do. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete tutorial of how you can earn money with different websites. This is going to be PayPal money, and sometimes they pay you with other payment methods. I have to tell you guys that this is not my favorite way to make money online. So if you're going to want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, please check the very first link in the description. Now, let me show you everything. So I'm going to be sharing my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay? Asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp. So if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, people to make money online. Actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay. Someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they are using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it. Okay. Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. There are a couple of websites. There actually has been around for some time, but I have never mentioned them on this channel. The first one is going to be EarnWeb. So you can go to earnweb.com and they consider themselves the best website for earning on the internet. Okay. They say that they have the highest earning for quick online tasks. Okay. As you can see here, they do have different payouts. For example, this person redeemed $10 via PayPal. This one redeemed 5 via iTunes. This one redeemed 2 via PayPal. And you can see more and more and more payment methods. Okay. You can also redeem in gift cards, PayPal, cryptos, and others. What you're going to be doing are different small tasks. You're going to get coins, and those coins, you can exchange them or trade them into these payment methods. Okay. So you can see here we have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Robux, okay, and other gift cards. Okay, so it's really simple. How does literally this is going to work? Well, you're going to complete a task for the advertiser. The advertiser is the person or the company who is going to be requesting the task. Okay, so their partners are going to be asking you to test an app, do surveys, you know, sign up for a trial period and others. Okay. Once you do this, okay, you're going to get the coins. Okay. You can get the coins and then you can actually get your money as PayPal, CryptoPay, gift cards with, for example, for Amazon gift cards, Steam, Google Play, and others. Okay. So it is actually really easy, really simple. You can see here some examples of the task. Okay, here it says, for example, click the activation link to send your link, choose your system and device to receive better matches. Okay, get 5% on cashback and 10% of cashback and others. Okay, so there are actually different ways in which you can actually earn. Okay, remember that you can be earning by playing games, um, buying brands with the cashback, doing the surveys and others. Okay, here we have some testimonials, and at the time they have over 100,000 registered users. Okay, so this is actually really easy, really simple. Okay, here you have again the different payment methods that they do have. As you can see, they do have way more than the ones that they mentioned on the cover. So no excuses, guys. I'm pretty sure that at least you would like to get a gift card, and this is something that you can do actually on your spare time, or if you want, you can actually go and uh, withdraw it with PayPal. Okay. By the time recording this video, there is no restriction of who can use this platform. Okay. So it doesn't matter where you're from, you can use it. So you can go to earnweb.com. Another website that you can use to earn money is this one. It's called PagaSani. I think it's this one, pagasani.com. Okay, how you're going to be earning? Well, you're going to be earning just by sharing your opinion. By signing, it's really easy, really simple. And before I start talking about it, I want to show you the Trust Pilot. This is the only website of the ones that I'm going to show you today that is do have a Trust Pilot. I did not find the others. Chances are that they do have it, but I couldn't find it. And as you can see, they have 4.6 stars out of 5. So that means that most of the people are extremely happy with this website. Let's say that we're just going to cover the ones with 5 stars and 4 stars. Okay, it's 91% in total. Okay, 91% of the people are extremely happy with these websites. Okay. Of course, there are always going to be people who are not pleased for whatever reason, but most of them are extremely happy with PagaSani. Okay, so you can go with pagasani.com. Okay, in order to join it, you need to be at least 16 years old. Okay, they are going to be rewarding you to take surveys, to cash offers and others. Actually, this is actually really fast. You're going to see here that they pay you with surveys. You are going to be sharing voice or just your opinion. Okay, these are free surveys. You can get paid for downloading apps, signing up to sites, and making purchase for items. Okay, that basically that you can use on a daily basis. They also have daily bonuses for those who do certain amount of tasks. Okay, multiple cash out options. Okay, the most popular, of course, it's PayPal, but you can also have the opportunity to redeem this in gift cards and get paid directly to your bank account. Okay, level up your account and earn by completing tasks in your account. How many tasks do you want to do? As many as you want. And they do also have a referral program, so you can invite people and they are going to be helping you. Okay, so it's actually really easy, really simple. Okay, again, you can redeem with PayPal, with Payoneer, with gift cards. Something really important is that the payment processor takes 48 hours or up to 48 hours, and the redemption, it can take up to 5 days. Okay, so if you're in a rush, take into consideration that it can take up to 5 days. Besides that, everything is fantastic with PagaSani. Okay, so another website that you can go to, it's called Studio Now. Okay, so you can go to studionow.com. This is totally different because they are going to be hiring you as a freelancer. Okay, they're going to be hiring you as a freelancer. These are not going to be like these kind of tags with with being a survey and all that stuff, but for you to be a creator. Okay, there are brands here who hire people. They hire photographers, videographers. Okay, as you can see here, And this is something that you like, you would like to be creative, you can go here where it says become a creator. Okay, become here a creator. You can join their community. Okay, remember, you can be a photographer, you can be a videographer, a designer, an animator, a writer, an editor. Okay, and you can start working with some of the biggest brands in the world. Okay, some brands, as you can see, those here, Google, Amazon, WeWork, and all this stuff. Okay, so it's actually flexible for you to decide like how many hours you're gonna work. Okay, or if you're gonna go per project. But remember that this is other type of tasks. This is not like the conventional surveys or you know, playing games and all this stuff. Okay, guys. So if you want to do something else and you really want to fire your boss, okay, and you're like, hey, I really want to invest in myself. I want to replace my full-time job. I'm going to be leaving a link below, which is going to be the very first link in the description with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. So you can make money while you travel, you can make money while you sleep. You're going to have the opportunity to fire your boss. So if you're really, really interested in that, I'm going to be leaving the link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.